Right, people, this is a quick introductory video for the rental school. I have a lot of good information in here that is going to help you. No other company is offering this. You especially want to watch the videos on maintenance. Watch all of these. Safety considerations, extremely important. Winterizing, and all of those are really good, especially this first one. Under customer relations, you need to watch all of these. You're going to learn some stuff about dealing with customers that will save you years of trial and error and years of trouble. And you'll thank me later. And then just go through each section here and watch the videos. And let me know what you think. Thank you.